When you decide to launch a supplement, it's easy to think that the hardest part is picking ingredients or finding a manufacturer. But the reality is that you're not just building a product, you're starting a real business. The early decisions you will make will either set your brand up for success or set it back months and cost thousands of dollars. We've launched thousands of products, and people don't realize how much goes into doing this correctly. So today, I'm walking you through the real roadmap, the one that takes you from an idea to a polished, professional product on the shelf. Your brand starts with a vision. You need to know what experience you want your customers to have, what outcome you want to deliver, and what promise you want your product to stand for. Most founders jump straight into ingredients, but ingredients are just tools. You have to know the goal before you choose the tools. We help you map out the exact experience, claims, and direction that will support your message so your formula and brand stay aligned from day one. Lots of people chase trends or copy competitors, but real brands need products that reflect their message, identity, and customer goals. We walk you through choosing a direction that fits your brand, developing believable and compliant claims, selecting a product type that makes sense, and choosing ingredients that support the message you want to deliver. You don't need to figure this out on your own. We help you make smart decisions that keep your product focused and well-positioned for future success. One of the biggest challenges for new brands is figuring out who to trust. There are thousands of suppliers out there, and choosing the wrong one can quickly derail your launch. We spent years building a network of reliable ingredient vendors, packaging partners, and manufacturers who work well with startups and have predictable timelines and fair minimums. A strong supply chain can save you thousands in mistakes and delays. On paper, almost any idea looks great, but once you get into sourcing, packaging, manufacturing, and claims, the reality sets in. We help you understand what's realistic, what needs to be adjusted, and how your idea will translate into production, and how to keep everything consistent as you grow. This is where most brands stumble, and where our experience becomes your advantage. Manufacturers are not responsible for defining your brand or claims. Their job is to run production, and they expect you to know what you want. We help you enter manufacturing with a clear formula, aligned claims, reliable sourcing, correct packaging expectations, and a product ready for the line. This is how you avoid costly mistakes that slow startups down. Launching a supplement brand the right way takes structure, clarity, and guidance. If you want to build something real, something customers trust and return to, working with a team that understands the entire development process is one of the smartest decisions you can make. This is how you go from idea to brand, to a product that succeeds on the shelf. I'm Ziegler from HydroScience. Thanks for watching.
Contact us today and let us grow your brand from idea to reality.